I've been trying to eat a lot more protein and I'm really into protein bars lately. What attracted me to the Misfits brand is one, it's vegan. I am a vegetarian. Two, it's lower calorie count than a lot of other bars out there. And it's also low sugar. So I like to buy the variety pack when I'm trying out new brands. So I'm gonna do this unboxing for you, show you what's inside, and do a little taste test. All right, you'll see the main ingredient listed first is pea protein. So it's a pea protein blend. Yeah. So it says on the packaging right here that it contains soy, tree nuts, almonds, coconuts, and peanuts. So it is not peanut free, not soy free. All the bars will contain 9 grams of fat, 4 grams of saturated, and they're all 180 calories. 16 grams of protein. You're gonna get 2 of each bar. So you're gonna get chocolate banoffee, which kind of sounds like a toffee, white choc cookies and cream, so I can guess what that is, chocolate cookie butter, chocolate caramel, brown chocolate brownie, and chocolate hazelnut. So you're getting 2 of each. Let's open them up. Okay, so first thing I noticed compared to the other protein bars I've been eating is that these are a bit smaller and lighter. So more of a snack, less of a meal replacement. Banoffee, I'm probably saying that wrong. This is the chocolate hazelnut, chocolate caramel, cookies and cream, chocolate cookie butter, and dark chocolate brownie. So I'm trying to decide which one to choose. Okay, I've made a decision. I'm going to try the chocolate cookie butter. My second one I was gonna try was this one because I'm really curious. It looks like it has banana and toffee in it, but I'm gonna try this one. So again, 15 grams of protein, 1 gram of sugar. Let's open it up, see what it looks like. Okay, it looks like a candy bar, less like a protein bar than what I've seen. And let's see what, you can see it has little crispies. It looks like poking through the chocolate. Let's give it a taste. Well, first I'm gonna break it open. Let's see what it looks like. So a layer of kind of gooiness, and let's give it a taste. So if you're looking for a candy bar, not a candy bar, but also not a protein bar, kind of somewhere in between. So I'm definitely getting the sweetness of this, not overly sweet, which I really prefer, things not to be too sweet. I like that it has some crispiness. Is it as good as a candy bar? No. Is it better than a regular protein bar? I like that it doesn't have that like denseness to it. And it also doesn't feel kind of chalky sometimes. Protein bars sometimes feel chalky. I like this not feeling chalky. So again, definitely satisfying as a snack. This would be too small for me as a meal. But as a snack, post-workout, I think this is great. I'm excited to try out some of the other flavors, and I'll show you what they look like when I do.